All right, what's up, everybody? Welcome back in. Bo's coming across seas. I thought he was coming to say hello. He's probably looking for that rabbit. All right, he's ignoring us. Great. All right, let's get this job done. So I'm gonna be using a trick to add some length to this video. I'm gonna be cutting it on video, but like maybe I can like actually. Okay, let's see something. It's gonna be really rudimentary. It's like I guess a tree. I can barely see any of my screen. I don't know what I'm pointing at. I can't see the screen at all, so it's gonna be rough. But maybe you see something, man. I don't know. I try to line it up. I want you to see me doing the job, but I didn't think this through. I didn't bring my tripod out. Anyways, we can maybe you can see something. I hope you can. If you can't, man, we'll see the finished product. So I'm about to separate these banana puffs from the mother. Pretty easy process, honestly. But you just don't want to cut in the wrong spot and give it too little root. But I've done this a few times. Man, it's so close to the mother. This is bad. Okay, I'm going to do this very slowly. I'm going to do it one by one. I was going to try to cut them off both with one fell swoop. But I don't think that's a good idea. And I guess that ain't gonna make it. It didn't. There's like no root. I don't understand what this is even connected to. Ah, I cut it too high. Oh well. The one didn't make it. I know that for this time. That's okay. And to be honest with you, I'm not devastated because I have plenty of banana plants in the past, and I can't grow the fruit here in Tennessee. I had 12 at my peak, and that was really out of hand. So it's okay. It's just the root is so deep. I probably should use a saw, honestly. Don't want to break it. It's just so damn deep. All right. So this one actually will be good. Okay, so you see that? That's plenty of rooted for it. It may not look like a lot, but that is plenty. And it's got a little more growing off the side there. And this, if that's growing off the side, maybe this will make it. I don't know how banana anatomy works, but something's growing out the side there that wasn't connected to the mother. So we're going to plant them both just in case. But that was not one of my easier jobs. Okay. All right. Let me put this phone down real quick. I got 100% confidence in this one, though. I've cut off, honestly, one with less root than that. And I'll go in as soon as it's done and Google to see if it'll survive. The one with no root. All right, that's in that pot's nice and pretty. And we get this bad boy in. Hope for the best, but it's like I said, it's not the end of the world. I don't really want bananas anyways. I didn't want these pups, but they popped up and I wasn't just going to discard them. All right. We're good. We're done. I'm not going to name them or anything. Because like I said, I'm trying to get too attached to bananas, man. I've had 12 in the past and that was crazy. And it was a mistake. And I'm hoping this doesn't turn into that. Because these will obviously grow their own pups someday. But I'll know if they're going to be okay when a leaf starts growing out of the middle and unfurling itself. But like the mama has, like that's a new leaf right there growing out of the middle. That's how it grows. That's it. I'll go upload this, and I think a partially successful job, potentially fully successful. I'll leave what I find on Google in the description. Anyways, there you go. Nice and pretty. There they are. See ya.